Hi, my name is Rami,
And my name is Ola.
and welcome to Dancebook Salsa on 2 classes. We will teach you the basics, the fundamentals of salsa dancing at the beginning, solo and in couples.
Feel invited.
And we will teach you the basic step of salsa. So, let's start with our posture. We'll go to the side. And first we need to straighten our body. So your chest needs to go diagonally up, so your shoulders go down. Then imagine there is a string connected to the top of your head. Pull that string so you elongate your neck. Now lean forwards until you feel all your weight on the front of your feet. Bend your knees. And this is the basic frame of salsa. Now, the basic step will look like this. It's 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, and 1. So now we will show you each step. We'll show you from this side. So first, prepare your weight. Go on your left leg. We will do it for now in place, and it's right, left, right, left, right, left. So it's 6 steps, 1, 2, 3, it's 5, 6, 7. I'm not going to count the 4 and the 8 because this is where we pause. So it's just 1, 2, 3 forward, 5, 6, 7 backwards. So go on your left leg and now start the basic step. First one is in place. Second one you go forward. Third step in place. Now go back to your center with your left leg. Now put the right leg back. Use only your front part of your foot. And last step, in place. So it goes like this. Right, left, right, left, right, left. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Now, from this side, you need to go 1 to the front and to the back. Make sure that your feet are underneath your body. So your feet don't go too far like this. Always underneath me. It's just like you're walking. You're walking this direction, now you change direction. Okay, so it's 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. And this is the basic step of salsa on 2. See you next time.
See you.
W sensie, że to był sam podstawowy i... Znaczy, bo tak, bo powiedziałeś, że jedna lekcja to 1 krok, nie? Okej, dobra.
Nie chcę się wsmacać, co mówiłeś
No,
cały
no, no,
czas,
no.
ale że łapki jeszcze, nie?
Mhm.
Żeby tam nie wisiały.
No,
Ja bym
no.
też wspomniała.
Alright, so now since we did the basic step solo, let's do it in pairs. So when you dance in a couple, the man needs to reverse his steps. So it's the same steps, just reversed. When we started with the right leg, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Now we need to reverse this. So now go to the right leg. And now you start from the left. You go 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Now here is where the hands will be important. If you can say a couple of things.
Yep. Our steps are exactly the same. So we are starting from our right leg. Hands, please keep here. And our wrists are above our elbows.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, so this will be useful so you do not lose balance because your hands are here. Looks also better. But whatever we're doing in couples, the hands will be ready to be connected. So the steps we did at the beginning, we will do with salsa solo, because you can dance solo and in couples. Now, how do you ask for the hand of the lady? You go like this. I mostly use those fingers to lead. So the hands, the frame should be around the waist level of your partner. So now we prepare our weight. The guys are on the right leg, the girls are on the left. And 5, 6, 7, we go. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Notice that Ola is making the same distance of steps as mine. So if I make bigger steps, she makes bigger steps. But let's keep it small, so if there will be faster music, we will be able to go with it. Okay? So this was the basic step in couples. So now the dynamic of salsa is quick, quick, slow. So our steps, first let's do it in place. When we did 5, 6, 7, we did right, left, right, left, right, left. So 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. The timing is a little bit different. It goes like this. Quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow. So in steps, it goes like this. 6, 7, and quick, quick, slow. Quick, quick, slow. Basic step. Quick, quick, slow. Quick, quick, slow. Let's do it from this side. 2, 3. Let's go. 6, 7. Quick, quick, slow. Quick, quick, slow. How to do this slow movement so you're not waiting for the next step? I do it by pushing the floor. So imagine like when they used to make wine like this, by just squishing or putting weight, pushing the floor. This is how I do it, right? So this is how I activate all my body. Push, push, push. So the quick, quick, slow from the front looks like this. Quick, quick, slow, push. Quick, quick, push. I push from the front of my feet until until the back part of my feet. Okay? So one last time from this angle. Let's maybe do the solo step and the partner work step. So solo step, 5, 6, 7. It goes 1, 2, slow, 5, 6, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow. Now the steps for the man in couples look like this. 5, 6, 7, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow from the side, quick, quick, slow. One more time, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow from the front. 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, and quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow. This will be the most important part of the basic, is this slow. So if you elongate it by pushing, you won't miss the beat.
So by the way, it's a very good exercise. Just basic step, in place and pushing.
Exactly. Now we'll do the solo one with music and then in couples with music. So let's start with the basic step, solo. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3. Keep the steps small. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7 from the side. 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Now from the front. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Now we'll do in couples. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, and 1. Thank you for enjoying our class and see you next time.
See you next time.